Guys, selamat siang guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang, selamat ketemu lagi. Terima kasih untuk Sicepat. Paketannya sudah saya terima, ini kondisinya juga bagus. Ini sudah saya terima. Ini pengirimnya dari Shopee. Aduh. Oke. Sicepat memang cepat sekali, bagus sekali nih. Saya pikir cuma sampai beberapa hari, ternyata sudah sampai ini guys. Masih bagus, ini masih saya ulang. Hebat, benar-benar hebat Sicepat. Terima kasih, produk sudah saya terima. Ini sudah, nama produknya juga sudah jelas. Sebelum kita buka, saya beli LCD plus touchscreen Vivo Y21. Sudah nyampe. Pengirimnya Doni Alexander. Terima kasih Mas Doni, udah nyampe, udah saya terima. Bagus. Belum saya buka sama sekali. Juga nanti belum saya pasang ini. Nanti saya bongkar dulu ini. Saya ambil peralatan dulu untuk membongkarnya.
Always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run, run. They say to me, away from all of reality. They say, Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Ever since that day.
You ain't never gotta be alone. I found company inside a song. Take it off your chest, throw it in a poem. If they try to flex, show 'em where you going. Hating on your past, kill 'em with your moment. When you get the chance, drive it like you stole it. She said I don't wanna grow up, I gotta go keep my passions alive. Please say you've heard of a place I can fly where nothing's impossible. That's where I gotta go. They said the only way up was to get in line. I'm telling you that somebody lied. As someone who's been to the other side, blurring the lines between earth and mind. She's a lost girl in a lost world, but I know what she's trying to find. Some call it music, I call it Neverland, where we can take flight and don't have to ever land. You can stay young forever if you follow your heart. No one 9 to 5, tear the soul apart. Keep it safe, you can keep your soul in art. We can live a lie, we would rather die. If I don't live for this, I'm not alive. I don't deserve the breath, I don't deserve the steps, don't deserve the criticism or compliments. This is who I am, this is what I do. Outside of Neverland, I don't have a clue. They call us lost, but this is the place where I was found.
Oke guys, kita bongkar.
Sometimes we forget why we're here. It's easy to fall off track. These help us remember.
These battle scars don't look like they're faded, don't look like they're ever gone away. They ain't never gonna change. These battles.
Growing up I had a dream, something no one else could see. Tell me what it means when your faith is falling beneath your knees and you can't breathe. Everything you see reminds you of what you're not or something you won't be. You gotta take what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a business. Not because they wanna do it, just because they heard it pays. And who the fuck wants to be poor knowing that's how we've been raised? Society is getting heavy, I can feel the weight. The pressure of success is like 100 million pounds of shame. And that's the reason I'm staying up late, trying to find a way to escape the stereotypes. This day and age is making me feel like the only way I'll be happy is getting signed to a label and making money through rapping. I wanna share my emotion because this world is attacking the very principle of life that lets the people be happy. a reason to breathe, why even live? These battle scars are impressions of everything that it is.
Stars don't look like they're fading, don't look like they're ever gone away. They ain't never gonna change.
Nah, kita bongkar ini guys. Nah, ini ada packingnya bagus sekali ini, terlindungi ya, bagus sekali. Kita ambil ini guys. Nah ini udah kosong, kita singkirkan ini guys, kita singkirkan. Bagus sekali ini packingnya. Ini bagus sekali ini. Nah ini kita cek barangnya ini. Oke, bagus sekali ini packingnya, double ini karena LCD layar, jadinya rentan dengan goresan. Nah, masih bagus ya, iya masih bagus sekali ini. Nah ini LCD. Oke, ini sudah saya terima. Kondisi barangnya belum saya coba ini guys. Y21 Vivo, LCD-nya saya beli di Lazada ini, LCD Shopee, maaf, di Shopee dengan Sicepat yang benar-benar cepat ini. Terima kasih sekali. Oh ini masih segel loh, bagus ini guys. Belum saya coba, nanti saya bawa ke ini toko temen reparasi. Saya coba nanti, semoga bisa ini nyala. Ini harganya kemarin 130 sama biaya paket 156 kemarin. Oke guys, sampai di sini dulu unboxing dari Shopee. Terima kasih udah nyampe. Untuk Sicepat benar-benar cepat, terima kasih. Langsung ini nanti kita pasang, kita kembalikan lagi. Terima kasih, sampai ketemu kembali, sampai ketemu dengan konten lainnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.